Hey and welcome to this new video of learning and mastering Symfony 3. So in this video we will learn about flash message and we will also do some update in this index view. First let's go for example here to create category. Let's create a new one with this time a very big description. We will generate a lorem ipsum. So title 4 for this time, slug 4, and for description I will just go in here, example lorem with 100, so generate, and I will copy that, go back to the form and pass it in here, and now I will create. And you will see in the table that here we have like this big description, and we want to see like the whole description and the whole information in here. If this is the case, so why this show button in here? So we will learn how to, for example, here show just the middle of that, or just like in here or to here or to here. So in PHP we use the function substr, and in JavaScript I think their name is substring. And since we are using now Twig, so we can't go and type PHP function, so we will use the filter. Another thing, so here I think it will be good if we have like ID, title, slug, and then description. And also, for example, for those button, if we don't want to be like that, like one under the other, we want them to be next, we will have like to add HTML parameter no wrap. So how we do that? Let's go here to the BR and type no wrap. Let's go. Not sure if that how it's right. Yeah. So see now it's one against, or one next to the other. I think that's better, and this change the position of slug and description. So here slug will be first, and here also. So I will just delete the space, save, go now and refresh. So I think this is better. Title, slug, and then description. For you can do as you want. So now let's go and see how we can like in here see less of this description. So let's go to our index, and we say that we will use filter since we are in Twig. So, and this is like today that type description. So here let's use a filter slice, and in this slice it's equivalent in substr or substring. So, and it has two parameters. The first is the beginning, so it begins from this since like the first character, and the other parameter it's the number of the character that we want to see. So let's type for example 20, and here let's type 3 dot, so that means it there is more to see. Let's save, let's go back and refresh, and let's see what we will have. So now those are 20 parameter, or 20 characters, sorry, and here we have those 3 dots. We'll just make a little space in here, save. If you want to add more dot, you can add them. So now I think this is better, and if we go here and see or click on the eye to show, we will see the whole description. So let's go back to the list. So now about those flash messages, we will use them in two places: the create of new category and update of the category. So after the create of a new category, we will be redirect to this list, and we will see like a flash message in here tell us to create successfully or something like that, and same thing for the edition also. So let's go and see how we can do that. So let's go and do that. Let's go to our controller, and first we have like the action of like create action. So here after he persists the data, let's create our flash. So we will use this, and there is an action called add flash. It has two parameters. The first is the name of the name, like we want, if we want to give a name for this flash, so let's name it success. And the second parameter, it's like the message that we want to be shown or to be seen. So let's see, for example, created successfully, and let's put this smiley in here. Let's save, or let's type before this emoji or this smiley, let's type the name of this category. So category dot get title. Get title, here it is. And now let's add the smiley here. Let's add another space, and let's save. And after that we will have, like, we'll just copy this and paste it in our edit form. So let's go to the edit, and here it is. And before the redirect, let's create our flash, and let's change in here updated successfully, and now let's go and see where to show this flash. So we know that we will show it in index or in admin category dot index or our category list. Why? Because like edit action and new action, both they go to the same route or to the same page. So let's go back to the index, and let's do it in here. Let's use for loop. So for, name it whatever you want. I will name it flash in app dot session dot flashbag. So flashbag dot get, and here I need to type the name of my flash message, and in our case it's success. And here, since I used for loop, so I know I need to close it. So and for, and inside this loop I will use a division with class alert info is generated. And here let's type our flash. So we name it here flash, and here with S not C. So let's go. I save and let's go now and see what happened. So let's create new one. So create new category. Let's name it now. It's think 5. So title 5. Description. Let's use also Lorem and slug 5. So let's create. And let's see if we will have here some flash message in the list of category. See here, created successfully title 3 with this smiley. Now if we refresh the page, we will not see again this this alert, and see now it's disappeared because he's like this flash message, it has for like live just one HTTP request. So when we create a new category, it has like a post was our HTTP request, so it has just one request, and when we refresh we send a get. So that's why it disappeared, because post from create and get for the list, that mean 2 requests, so that mean flash message will die. So let's see here in the edit if we will like see the message here. I will add here for example O3, so update, and we will see that also we will have the message updated successfully. So now if you don't like this info, you can change it to, I don't know, to whatever color you like, maybe green, to go if you have like the same theme as I do. And since the flash message we will use it here in category list, and also in article, and also for article. And for example, if we have like 10 of a database, we will not like go and copy it and start pasting it on those 10 category. So here is an idea. So why we put it, or we create it in a new file, or in a new file, and include it in the master page, since we will change nothing in here. So why put it in the file and include it to our backend master page? So let's do that. First we will create new category in view. So first I will copy this, copy, save, and go here to view and create a new file, and let's name it alert.html.twig. Let's save, and let's pass the exactly same command, or what same for that we did. So now let's edit this so that it will be like general. First we will have to use another for loop here, and I will end it in here. Let's name this for example a flash message, but not get, but flashback.all, and here so it will be this, like this. So now with this, we will just include this file alert.html.twig in our database in our backend master page, and it will be like general for all the views. So here we have all the flash message that exist in our project, and here we do this for, so to type the one that we actually call. So now let's go back to our backend master page, and let's try to use it, for example, in here. So let's use the include. So include, and in the include we put the path, or yeah, the path to this include, and in our case it's alert.html.twig, and let's save. So now let's go and try again this flash message. So let's go and create new category. So it's maybe I type it wrong, so I will go back and see. Here it include, not include. Save, go back, refresh. Yeah, here title 6. Let's use lorem ipsum also and slug. Let's put also slug 6. So create, and let's see if we will have the flash message, and see now we have it created successfully. Let's go and see also for the edit. So let's edit here, and here let's try lorem ipsum. So edit or update, and we will see also the flash message. That means that it's included successfully and well. So now I think this is all for this video, and in the next video we will see or we will add some validator constraint to our create and edition form. So see you next.